Store and clean a plunger immediately after use to prevent bacterial spread and lingering odors. Rinse the plunger in clean toilet water first, then flush the toilet repeatedly while holding the plunger under the running water to remove visible residue. For stronger disinfection, prepare a bleach solution of 1 part bleach to 10 parts water and submerge the rubber cup for at least 5 minutes. Or spray thoroughly with a bathroom disinfectant and let it sit for the time listed on the label. After disinfecting, lift the plunger and allow excess liquid to drain back into the bowl. Then rinse the handle and non-rubber parts with fresh water to remove chemical residue. Dry the plunger by shaking gently and setting it braced over a disposable towel or paper to air dry for a few minutes. If you must store it while damp, use a dedicated drip tray or stand that keeps the rubber cup off flat surfaces and catches any remaining liquid. Store the plunger in a well-ventilated area away from food preparation zones, ideally in a small plastic bin with holes or a stand that allows airflow so moisture does not accumulate and microbes do not proliferate. Replace the plunger if the rubber shows cracks, permanent deformation, or a torn edge, because damaged rubber traps waste and cannot be disinfected effectively. Common mistakes include rinsing only briefly in the bowl and assuming that visible cleanliness equals disinfection, which you correct by using an appropriate bleach or disinfectant contact time. Storing the plunger directly on bathroom floors or inside closed cabinets where moisture accumulates, which you avoid by using a drip tray or ventilated holder, and ignoring the handle and shaft, which can transfer contamination to other surfaces. So always clean the entire tool, including the handle with disinfectant, and let it dry before storing. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we and our members share experiences and recommendations related to home hygiene and maintenance. We help contractors find work by giving them a place to join conversations and showcase their expertise to interested local homeowners.